Hey guys, how's it going? So you guys did excellent on your homework. I was reading over those sentences and just want to say very, very good job. Okay? Let me just go over just a couple of things with you guys so that you know um, maybe some like little mistakes that you guys may have made. All right. So here we were in activity 19. Activity 19, it was talking about a pizzeria. Okay? Pizzeria Lilia. Pizzas saludables, healthy pizzas. Okay, and we went over this. I didn't read this because I wanted you guys to have enough, words to be able to create cognates and stuff. So let me go over what this actually means. Okay, so menos queso means less cheese. All right, usamos ingredientes nutritivos. It's use nutritious ingredients. And like I said, so those are cognates. See how this says nutritivos? That means nutritious. It even looks like the English word. So that's how you know it's a cognate. If it looks like the English word and it means the same thing. If it means the same thing and it looks like the word in English, then it's a cognate. Let's find another one. Okay? A lot of you guys chose ingredientes. Okay? That's a cognate because the word ingredientes looks like ingredients. So you know that's a cognate. And then the last thing is was this word sodio. Okay, sodio means sodium, and if you look at this word, you can kind of sort of see that it looks like the word sodium. So that would be an okay cognate too. All right, so you got to make sure when you guys are writing your cognates that they look like the English word. Some people they would put words like the word tiene. Okay, the word tiene, it's not a cognate because it doesn't look like the word has, have, I had. It doesn't look like that. Okay, so that's not a cognate. It has to look like the English word in order to be one. So number one was said find a list of three cognates. Okay, three simple ones: ingredientes, nutritivos, and then you could have even said calorías. Okay, three cognates. Independencia, if you put that down, three cognates. Okay. Now I said write three recommendations in Spanish for a healthier pizza. A lot of you guys did very well. You guys even kind of pretty much copied down some of this stuff, and that's okay. So you put like menos queso, less cheese. You know, some of you guys put usa fruta, use fruit. Some of you guys put other things, menos grasa, less fat, and that's good too. Okay, let's go down to activity 20 real fast. Let me answer these for you. Okay. Having to whenever you see something where it says escribir and hablar, it means to write and talk. So you would say things like, describe tu pizza favorita. What a lot of you guys did was you switched these two when you guys were writing your own. So it says, describe tu pizza favorita. What you guys would write is you would say, you would say, mi favorita pizza, because in English we'd say, my favorite pizza. But in Spanish, we switch those two words around. So we're not saying mi favorita pizza. We're saying mi pizza favorita is blank blank blank. So a lot of you guys would put mi pizza favorita es queso. Mi pizza favorita es sencillo, es simple. Mi pizza favorito es, pepperoni or whatever. So that's what's that. ¿Crees que la pizza es buena o mala para la salud? Do you think that the pizza is good or bad for your health, and why? And so a lot of you guys answered that same thing very well. And then you guys answered these very well. Remember, full sentences. See how these are asking you questions in full sentences? Respond in full sentences, okay? At the best of your ability. So if you don't know a word and you have to look it up, be careful because sometimes the word that Google will give you is wrong. It's not right. So you got to be careful every time you try to look up a word. All right? All right, so what we're actually going to do today is there's going to be a link down here, okay? And I'm going to send you to the workbook that's going to help us even better our sentences and stuff like that, okay? So in this workbook, okay, it goes right with the book. I want you to go down to page 64, okay, in the workbook. Then I would like you guys to read this. It says your cousin Ava has started a new diet and exercise program. She sent you an email telling you all about it. Read her email and answer the questions below in complete sentences. All right, so for example, let's read this. It says, Hola, para mantener la salud, so to maintain my health, como muchas verduras y frutas cada día. That means I eat a lot of vegetables and fruits each day. Creo que son sabrosas. I think that they are tasty. Yo hago ejercicio también. I do exercise as well. Me gusta caminar, pero prefiero levantar pesas. I like to walk, but I prefer to lift weights. Siempre bebo mucho agua. I always drink a lot of water. Y es mi bebida favorita. And it's my favorite drink. Notice how favorita is after this. It doesn't say y es mi favorita bebida. No. It says y es mi bebida favorita. Okay, so favorita, or every time you want to say something is your favorite, you're going to put favorita after the word. Okay? Now down here, no debemos comer los pasteles means we shouldn't eat pastries porque son malos para la salud because they are bad for your health. ¿Estás de acuerdo? Now we learned this little phrase here in class, okay? ¿Estás de acuerdo? Remember, the only word you're changing is this word, but this phrase means do you agree? Do you agree? ¿Estás de acuerdo? If I wanted to say yes, I agree, I would say sí, estoy de acuerdo. All right? So coming down here, you're just responding, okay, to these questions in full sentences, okay? So, for example, number one, ¿Qué come Eva? Okay. ¿Qué come Eva para mantener la salud? What does Eva eat to maintain her health? So we'll come back up here, and it's literally right in the first sentence. Para mantener la salud, como muchas verduras y frutas cada día. Now remember, when you answer these questions, you have to conjugate the right words. Okay, so for example, para mantener la salud, the verb here is comer. And here she said como, but that means I eat. We need to say she eats. So we're going to say come, okay? C-O-M-E, because we're talking about ella. So, come muchas verduras y frutas cada día. And that would be your answer for number one. Okay? So I gave you guys the answers for number one. So do numbers 1 through 6. Answer those questions. Like I said, the answers are right up there as long as you read it. And write it down. Make sure you conjugate correctly. All right? All right, guys. Have a great day. And this is going to be due tomorrow by midnight. All right? See you guys later.